Good morning, I'm Davis Ayega.
And I'm Olive Barrows. Welcome to the Friday special edition of News Shot, where we bring you the week's biggest stories.
The election of Embu Governor Martin Wambora and his Homabay counterpart Cyprian Awiti were this week nullified by the courts. They became the second and third governors respectively who will need to seek a mandate afresh from the electorate. It was however good news for Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho on Thursday when the High Court upheld his election.
The respective National Assembly committees this week interviewed the various nominees for the position of Principal Secretary and Ambassador. Among them were outgoing Immigration Chief Gordon Kihalangwa and former Regional Commissioner for the Coast Nelson Marwa. Former Cabinet Secretaries Judi Wakhungu, Hassan Wario, Kaimenyi, Cleopa Mailu, Phyllis Kandie, Kazungu and Willy Bett were also taken through the paces for ambassadorial postings.
President Uhuru Kenyatta on Thursday departed for Uganda on a 3-day official visit. At the start of a retreat on infrastructure and health financing, President Uhuru Kenyatta advocated for a collaborative approach among the partner states, urging them to cut through the bureaucratic red tape. He has also made the case for public-private partnerships in the pursuit of development.
Kenya has successfully priced a €204 billion Eurobond issue at the London Stock Exchange. It attracted 1.4 trillion shillings in bids, with President Kenyatta saying it's a demonstration of the confidence investors have in Kenya. In the same breath, however, the IMF has raised the red flag on Kenya's borrowing as it seeks to negotiate the terms of a new standby credit facility with the Kenyan government.
For more on these and other stories, keep it at www.capitalfm.co.ke. I'm Davis Ayega.
And I'm Olive Barrows.
Thank
you for watching.